Hi folks, Jerry from Pine Ridge Archery. I'm going to show you how to tie in our Nitro Peeps today. We've had a lot of people asking questions. I'm going to show you the method that I prefer. There's a lot of different methods out there that people want to do and tie in for their tubing and for their peep sight. This is the one I use. Take a look at it. If you want to copy it, it's fine. We're going to kind of film it for you so you get an idea of what we do. First of all, is I take and I put your string loop or your serving string in a loop. I go around the string, pull the two ends through, and I do it, bring the tension up to the V of where the peep is installed. So this adds the tightness and keeps your peep in place. And then what I do is I just continue, you can see that come through, and just keep feeding it forward up towards the peep. Do that about 5-6 times. Before you've done that, obviously you'll have to take off the tension of your string to make sure you can install your peep. So what I do is I leave the string a little loose on the bow while I'm doing this. So I do this 6 times. Bring it up again towards the peep. At the end, I'll take the two ends and I'll just do a square knot. So I'll do 1, 2, tighten it, cut both ends, burn the ends, be careful not to burn your string, and you're done. You do the same thing on the top side, pushing toward the peep sight. The second thing is installing the tubing. This is our Nitro tubing. You want to install it onto the cable first. So I do the exact same thing. So what I'll do is I'll take the loop, bring it around, just like you do on tying your string loop, as I do it on this. So if you could see here, you have that, I pull it tight, I'll to the serving, try to keep my hands out of the way here, pull it tight, pull the one end through, connect it to your peep sight here, and you're ready to go. Trim off the end there. Hope that helps. Thanks again for watching. Jerry from Pine Ridge Archery.